Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super YouTube update that you can enable or disable your ambient mode on your Android mobile by using a simple setting on YouTube app. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and we just quickly move on to the video. So this is my another channel. I just took an example video from this channel. So if you find this setting on any videos, any YouTube videos, by just clicking on it, you can click on the settings, you can find the ambient mode there. So if you don't find it, just click the setting again. It will take a time to load, so you can turn it on or turn it off. If your YouTube app doesn't have ambient mode, you just go to the Play Store and update your app. The new update brings a new style of ambient mode in your YouTube app, so it's look so cool and amazing. You can turn on or turn off according to your wish. But the ambient mode was looking so awesome and cool because it's have a different UI and experience to the users. So the video background matches the background of the screen. I can show another example from my another video. So this trailer makes a white shade, so you can see the white shade on the top and bottom, so it looks so great, and the bluish color also making some sense on the down. So you can turn it on or turn it off, it will be look so different. So you just try the ambient mode on your YouTube app by just updating on the Play Store. Try it now. Friends, if you find this video very useful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, like this video, share this video with your friends. So don't forget to subscribe. So we'll meet on next video with the valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique, and have a smiley day.